In this quick video, I'll show you how you can speed up a video inside of Premiere Pro. So once you've got Premiere open, you need to then import your clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my File Explorer and I've got a clip in the downloads, which we're going to drag onto the timeline. You can import your clip though however you would like. You can do it in the Project Explorer or just drag it onto your timeline. Now here we are inside of Premiere and here is our clip. So if we were to play this clip, you can see it will just be in normal speed. It is just a drone shot. Now what you need to do is make sure you've clicked on your clip, and once you've then clicked on your clip, you can then go to clip, and then once you're on clip, you'll see speed/duration. Click on that and the speed will currently be 100%. If you change it to 200%, it will be 2x the speed, and you can see the duration updates here. So by default it is 15 seconds. If we change it to 200, it will be half that. It will be 2x the speed and it will be 7 seconds. You can enter any number that you want, so you can triple the speed, quadruple the speed, and so on. But now the speed is 2x, and that's essentially how you can speed up footage in Premiere.